I've had failed success, a broken heart. Love was here, then love was gone. You always said that your word was bond, but you left me, you never revealed my wrongs. I hate the fact that
What do YouTube? It's your boy ATG. Aim's game. And I just beat this kid. Just made him rage on my team. That video will come out tomorrow. And I hear my dog barking, and you know what that means. Get this package. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing if you guys don't know what this is. This right here is my keyboard, my Pro AKAI. I think it's MPK. Here's my dog right there. But it's an MPK professional keyboard. It was like 200, but I got it for like 70. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of this. Check you guys in a little bit. So guys, this is gonna be kind of makeshift because I just have my iPhone dangling over my desk, which probably isn't safe. Get ready to this in my little key. I don't know. Right here, you got a bunch of packages, a bunch of like foam. And here, right here, is the AKAI. Open this real quick. Much to believe in, so keep dreaming. The late night you were up teasing for a piece, man. You wanna talk when you're drinking, just to go off on a deep end for no reason. As I was sneaking every weekend to make you feel good through your weakness. Damn, I hate it so much, all the time wasted. Just to prove to you that I was dedicated, but I love that look on your face when I saw the little nigga that was chilling in the basement. That pitiful look of amazement. You're my racing for excuses. Shut up, bitch. Yes, it isn't the biggest, but it, honestly, it's all I need. So right here. This right here is USB. And take the keyboard out of the casing. I don't know how hard it is to do. So right here, I'm gonna take the plastic out. Wow, this thing is surprisingly light. So right here, here's the keyboard. It's got the drum pads right here. It's got just a bunch of equalizers, I guess. I don't know many of these terms, but right here's the pad controls. Arpeggator, I don't know, but sustain program and either to lower or higher the octaves. So hope you guys enjoyed. Look at this. I am so close. I am 6-4. I just got done beating this kid, and I'm 6-4 now. We're just gonna let that run out, see who it is. I don't know who it is, guys, so we're gonna make this real quick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Beats coming soon. And I guess there was no one there, so peace out, guys.